Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign and log time to tasks in ClickUp step by step. Whether you're trying to manage your workload better, track how much time tasks actually take, or you simply want to boost productivity using ClickUp's built-in time tracking features, this easy guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account using the email and password linked to your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp home screen, where all your tasks, projects, and tools are organized in one place. Follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. Next, look toward the left bottom area of your ClickUp dashboard and find the waffle icon, which opens up additional features. Click on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select Timesheet. This section is designed specifically to help you monitor and manage how your working hours are spent. Once you're inside the time tracking area, click on My Timesheet. This will open your personal timesheet where all your logged hours are displayed clearly. Now, look for the option labeled Add Tasks. Clicking this allows you to choose which task you want to log time against, helping you stay organized and accurate. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your task already exists, confirm you have time tracking enabled in your workspace, and decide whether you want to track time manually or in real time. Preparing these things in advance can save you time and prevent mistakes. After selecting your task, click on Start Timer to begin tracking time. The timer will run while you work, recording your effort automatically. Once you're finished, simply stop the timer, and the time will be saved directly to that task. It's also a good idea to review your timesheet regularly to understand your work habits and improve efficiency. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to assign and log time to tasks in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?